Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Let's spread happiness. I hope all of you are doing fine. Today I will teach you how to adjust print area in Microsoft Excel file containing large amount of data. For example, this is a sample Excel file. I have downloaded it from internet. It contains 14 number of columns. So it contains hash values as well. If I want to get print of this file, simply I will click file. Under file I will click print, or you can select Control P from your desktop or laptop, and here you can see some columns are cut. In my print some columns will be missing, so I have to make some changes. Under this print option you can see here page setup. This option I will click this, and I have multiple choice to adopt. So orientation I can select portrait or landscape. When you will click landscape, click OK, and now you can get print of the whole page. Again, if you want to get print in portrait form, again click portrait and adjust to this size. Currently it is set to 100%. Reduce it. Let's suppose I reduce it to 75%. Click OK, and now my all columns are incorporated in, but obviously its size will be reduced. In simple words, its font will be reduced. So you can click page setup, and you can select percentage of size from 100 to downward, anywhere according to your requirement. And or you can select orientation to landscape, and you will get clear print. One more thing, for example, let me escape. These values are appearing as hash values. So how to get normal values? Simply click the column which contain hash value and drag it towards right. Now these values are appearing as normal values, and this column also contains hash values. Drag it towards the right, and now it is perfect. One more thing, for example, your text is large. Let me type something. This is sample text of Excel file. So this is sample text of Excel. You want to get print of this text as well. Simply click the text you want to incorporate into your print, and here you can see the wrap text. When you will click this wrap text, here it is now clearly visible in your Excel file. This whole text will be available in your print. So I hope you have understood the method. One more thing I want to tell you: if you want to merge two to three values together, for example, if you want to merge these three values together, you can see here merge and center. Simply click this, and these values are merged together. You can select the position of this text. Here I will select upper top option. So in this way you can incorporate your text in your print as well. Again I will select Control P, and here I can get preview of my print. So I hope you have understood this method and it will be helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and share this video as well. Thank you very much for watching this video.